I sure wish I could learn how to box. Well, you see, I'd really like to learn the art of boxing.
Huh?
Well, yeah, what I'm saying is, I really wish I could become a boxer.
Oh, wow, boxing's hardly the thing for a little guy. Let me think now, okay? I can point you to the Biceps of Iron protein diet or something. Why don't you just do that?
Well, you see, that's not really what I'm talking about.
Huh?
I'd like to be a professional boxer. I want to train and become strong and compete in real matches.
Boxing's no plaything.
What?
Where do you get off making a spur-of-the-moment decision to become a boxer?
It's not a spur-of-the-moment decision. I'm really serious. I want to do it.
Well, think again. This is not the kind of world where some bully little weakling like you can easily survive.
I really have given it serious thought. This really is a serious and well-thought-out decision. I want to be a boxer. I want to be really strong. I want to be a new person. How does it feel to be so strong? How does it feel to be strong like you? How could I?
You want to become like me, don't you?
Huh?
Then you've got to be able to do at least this much. Now then, for starters, you should be able to grab 10 leaves.
10 whole leaves? I will grab 10 leaves. I'll do it.
Okay, you got 1 week.
What? You're only giving me 1 week? I just can't do it, and no amount of practicing seems to help. Maybe I can't do it. I probably lack the talent to become a new person. What's wrong with me? Telling myself to give up. I'm the one who made the commitment to do this. Hold on, that sound. It's totally different. The speed of the punches must be different. I need to make that sound. I just can't do this at all.
Here, kid, what the heck are you doing?
I've been waiting for you.
You've been waiting for me? What for? Do you need something?
Oh, come on. 1 week's gone by. It's the big day, remember?